Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to report a group chat from a community in WhatsApp. If you encounter any issues or inappropriate content within a group chat, reporting it is an important step to maintain a safe and enjoyable community experience. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the WhatsApp app from the Play Store. Simply head over to the search bar, type in WhatsApp, and look for the app with a phone icon on a green and white background. Tap on it, then select Install to begin the download. Step 2. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your credentials as you normally would. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll find the Chats section. To the left, there's a little icon with multiple profiles stacked on top of each other. Tap on it to access your communities. Step 4. Within the Communities section, you'll see the communities you're currently a part of. Tap on the relevant community, then scroll down to find your groups. Select the group chat you want to report. Step 5. Once inside the group chat, tap on the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on Report to proceed. By following these steps, you can easily report a group chat from a community in WhatsApp, helping to maintain a safe and respectful environment for all members. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy reporting.